In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Beehiiv website step by step so you can remove the publication connected to it quickly and safely. If you're cleaning up old projects, closing down a newsletter, or just getting rid of a Beehiiv website you no longer need, this guide will walk you through the exact process. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account using the email and password connected to your workspace. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the bottom or side menu and click Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps the controls for your workspace, publications, and account options. After that, go to Workspace Settings, then select Overview. This section gives you a general look at your workspace, and it's also where you'll find the connected publications. Now, scroll down until you see All Publications. This is the important part because Beehiiv websites are tied to publications, so you need to locate the publication that belongs to the website you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage more than one publication. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu or the min icon next to that publication. A small menu will appear with a few actions available. From that menu, select Delete. Beehiiv will then ask you to confirm the action because this is a permanent deletion. To verify that you really want to proceed, type the publication name exactly as shown. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletions, so make sure you enter it correctly. After that, click Delete one more time. At this point, Beehiiv will permanently remove the publication and its website. That means the website will no longer be active, and the publication data connected to it will be deleted as well. So, before you confirm, double-check that you've backed up anything important like content, subscriber information, or links you may still need. And that's it! You've now learned how to delete a Beehiiv website by removing the connected publication. It only takes a few clicks, but because it's permanent, it's always worth pausing to make sure you're deleting the right one. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.